Something very interesting going to happen. Tenshin Nasukawa, who kicked off out of kickboxing, will be now fighting for WBC World Bantamweight title in boxing against Takuma Inoue. Nasukawa is undefeated, and I was totally shocked when I was seeing him fighting like this. Like, this 5'5" fella is literally annihilating everybody. Victor Santillán, Jason Maloney, Hervina Cedro, Jonathan Rodriguez. Fellas on the grind, and Takuma Inoue having a record of 22-05 for 64 inches of reach. This fighter out of Kanagawa lost to Seiya Tsutsumi, but defeated Sho Ishida, Jervin Ancajas, Liborio Solis. Good thing he's not a knockout artist. Bad thing, Tenshin Nasukawa will not guess out. That is a problem. And I'm going with over 8.5, but considering how dominantly Tenshin Nasukawa was winning in the last 4 fights, I have to go with the Nasukawa decision, unfortunately.